doing, hold up for a second.
Yep.
Removing the exhaust manifold in order to put the gasket on. We got a couple screws on this one. This is inline 6. So there's a screw right there, one under it. He's got a screw, one right here, and there's going to be one under that as well. This one here, and then there's one that's right here. It doesn't have one under it, but then this one and the one at the rear as well. He'll be taking those out so he can remove the exhaust manifold. He'll be taking those out. Yeah, exhaust manifold. Place the exhaust gasket. So this here is pretty much so straightforward. We're going to get these screws removed, these bolts removed, and we'll be back.
You hold it up.
Okay.
Up on.
He just,
I'll let you record it.
he just felt the drop. He removed that last screw. And you see it's disconnected there. Hopefully we can get to it working around the AC, the compressor. But you see it has dropped. So we're gonna work it on out, work the gasket off, and get the new one in place. Pour your gasket off.
Oh yeah.
That's what he's dealing with. Break the new one out. And the part for this is a inline 6-cylinder. I imagine it's the original engine, or did he say?
This is the original engine.
Okay, it's the original engine. I'm not sure of the size, but this here gasket, what's the part number? Look on the thing for.
I'll grab it in a sec.
That's his part number there. Okay. And picked it up for Napa. Get the copper seal.
Where? That's in my car, right?
Mm-hmm. Okay, we picked up some more sealant, some more gasket.
Did you leave it in the car?
Over there. Thank you.
Want me to grab it?
Yes. Okay, we went back and picked up the this kind. They gave us the spray. We went back and picked up this kind. They did give us the spray to start with, but we're kind of questionable as far as putting that spray on the back side because it's rough. So I want to get this here, the gasket former, and put up there instead of the spray, so we can kind of give it a little, make it a little bit more flush. We had just put this one on, but for some reason the screws came loose, and so we're gonna have to run up to the store and get another one and replace it. Like my son suggested, some Loctite stuff, but I hate to put that up there and then have to take them off and really be a problem. Let's see what we can work. Okay, so we had to run out, pick up, like I said, another flange. And he's putting some gasket form on the header, and we're gonna get ready to put it in place. Okay, he has the manifold, exhaust manifold back on. He's doing the finger tight on the bolts, and he's gonna let it sit. Gonna let that sit and cure overnight. And we'll get the flange and stuff hooked back up once we tighten it up. Okay, so he has the exhaust manifold. Yeah, header. He has his header, his exhaust manifold back in place, and he's gonna tighten them up, and then we'll just let it sit overnight before we start it up.